In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and select Apps over here. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options, and select one of those. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, on the turn, allow. Sorry. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always choose one of your apps, scroll all the way down and select See All Maps Permissions. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!